Welcome to video by Abron. This is a discharge tube experiment. We have this power supply which is specially designed for discharge tube, which is a high voltage power supply. Now this one is working. I am showing you there are two gases. This I am showing, and there are this is only a voltage regulation. You can use any voltage or better use it to this medium intensity. You can lower this. See, this electrons are coming from here. Discharge tube is at a lower pressure, and these are gases are here also you can see easily. So this is when you increase the voltage, you can see that the electrons are rushing, and inside this you can see the spectrum. You can use this gas as discharge. As well as I am increasing the voltage, so it is intensity is increasing. You should not use it on a full intensity. So this is not to be touched. The below is a spring loaded system, upper is it without spring loaded. And now I show you the part here. It shows. Now I switch off these power supplies and show you that this is a warning apparatus is to be used with the spectrum tube only. This is not a ordinary power supply. This is specially designed for spectrum tube. And always disconnect the power supply before touching the tube or removing the tube or fixing a new tube. So this is the on off switch. So when now I am switched off, and then remove this power supply from the section, and all these another metal, both these terminals should be touched. Then you should remove this power supply, this tube. Now this is a neon tube, and this is a helium tube. I am removing this. Removing is very easy. Lower portion is spring loaded. Upper is, you can see this upper is only a plate. The lower is spring loaded. When the tube comes to you, it comes in a packing like this, where you have to remove it, the packing, and this plastic. It has two portions. One portion is this plain portion. Another is having a notch. You can see the notch. It is having an opening for gas. It is used for filling. The particular gases are filled. And when you have to put it back, you have to put there are two sizes of the tube. One is the outer case, another is the inner. You have to put it back like this, and the upper one, which is having a bigger notch, should be put in from the corner. I am now putting it here. Now I show you the another two gases, neon. I am now showing you neon and argon. I am showing you neon and argon. This way, because discharge tube is very high voltage, and it will be giving a current. Now I am connecting to the power supply again. Now it is switching, and now see, neon is there. This one is neon, and this one is argon. You can see the colors. I can change this again. Now once again I switch off, change another gas. I show you one more gas here. This is nitrogen gas. The nitrogen gas I am pushing here. It is pushing. You can see inside. You can see there is a spring. Upper side is not spring, so it should be pushed from here. Now I am putting it back here. You can see this nitrogen gas is almost whitish and bluish color is there. And this one, always use it on the middle. Power supply is on the middle. And all noble gases have very strong light, very beautiful light. And then please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. And this is the email, abron01@gmail.com, abronexports.com, and this is a WhatsApp number 94160200018. You can subscribe to our channel. These are high voltage power supplies, maybe about 2500 or 3000 volts are generated. So never touch it, or if you are using, always use some rubber sleepers or a mat, or on the table. It should be not on the metallic table, or use it on the wooden table or with the rubber safety. And if you have the gloves, rubber gloves, better use the rubber gloves which you can save from the current shock. It is better always use this. So this is a discharge tube. You can see these beautiful colors, and this is will be discharging. Electrodes are there on the top and bottom, so the gas is discharging between this. And this is a capillary, so that you can use it on spectrum, Rydberg's constant or discharge tube spectrums. You can see and study what are the gases, what are the study it is giving. We have all these are the four tubes: argon, helium, nitrogen, and neon. But we have 4 more: oxygen and other. About 10-12 gases are available with us. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.